So we're going to insert the microSD card into our Wi-Fi camera. This is where the microSD card slot is. And with the micro USB card, simply slot it in as shown. Push it in. And there, the micro USB card is installed. So after installing the SD card into the camera, let's start up my D-Link app. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left hand corner. Select device settings. Select Tech Tips Camera. We need to prepare the SD card. So we'll go to Storage and select SD card. You'll notice that the status is not initialized. We need to format this SD card. So let's do that. We need to format the SD card for use in the camera. Do note that once you format your SD card, all the files and data will be erased. Let's proceed. The format is complete. Once the SD card is formatted, you can see the following status: recording type and recording quality. So for the event, we'll select continuous recording. Enable now. Let's go back. Here are other functions of the My D-Link app. If the privacy mode is set on, the live cam or live view will be turned off. So in order to enable the microphone on the camera itself, we need to ensure that this tab is turned on. If it's turned off, then you will not be able to trigger some events. Let's turn it back on. For the color night vision, currently it is set at auto. If it's turned on, it will view and record video in color at all times. And if it is turned off, then it will be recorded in black and white at all times. We'll leave it as auto. Anti-flicker, we will leave it as 60 Hz. So for the invert image, if your camera is mounted on the ceiling, you may want to turn this on so that everything will be correct. For now, we will leave it as off. The status LED is the LED on the camera itself. You can turn it on or off, but we'll leave it on. So you can have some rich notification. If you tap on that, you can add a phone number that allows you to quickly tap a button on the notification to make a phone call when something is triggered. We'll leave it as off for now. And of course, you have the restart device or remove device. So let's take a look at the live view. You can double tap and you can actually zoom in. So let's see what happens if it is in the night mode. So now it is in the night mode. You can see that the camera is still just as sharp. Let's turn on the lights. Once again, with the lights on, you can see the clarity of this camera. If you need to talk, you can press on the microphone icon over here, and you need to press hold to talk. And of course, you can turn on and off the speaker itself. You can do a snapshot, but you need to allow the app to access photos and media on your device. So you can do a camera or a video recording. Let's go back. And so this is a quick overview of the D-Link app, and we have just shown you how to use it to set the SD card, to format it, and to set the continuous recording, and just shown you the clarity and sharpness of this D-Link 8350 camera.